Greetings. In this video, we're going to look at how we can set up Twitter Spaces for good audio streaming. So after you sign into your Twitter account, you come below here where there's a microphone here in the middle. You click on that icon. So to set up your space, you come click on this blue button in the right corner. Then you name your space. For this instance, we can name it Martyrs Day Celebration, June 3rd, 2022. Depending on the kind of activity you're setting up. Then it's important to add topics so that Twitter helps curate what different people's topics they're interested in, so that they can always get like a notification, especially if it's around what the event that you are promoting. Sorry, the event that you're going to stream on Spaces. So you go through all these different topics so that you can find the most adequate one. And the good thing is when you pick one, it even breaks it down further. So if I chose arts and culture, then you have more specifics of what you can pick on. So please ensure that you pick some good topics, and the maximum is 3. Whenever you're done, let's say I click on dance. So if you pick 3, you click on save. Okay. Then you continue. Always important to record your space. You can always, after this recording, upload it on any audio hosting channel. Let's say like if you have a SoundCloud account or AudioMac or any other avenue through which this audio can be available to people after, because with new media thinking, it's not obvious that everyone will be tuning in at that time. So always having a recording is important. So if you want to start it now, you click to start it, or you can schedule it. To schedule it, you click on the icon on the right, then you schedule the date. For instance, Martyrs Day is on June 3rd, and you click OK. You schedule the time, depending on what the time the event is starting. If that is OK, press OK, you go to next. Great, so you have scheduled your space. Now the next step is to, of course, design promotional material. Let's say graphics. Okay, you can design graphics for it, and also spreading it in different groups or even social media. So you can always copy the link to it. Yes, the link has been copied to the clipboard, and that is the link you can share with different people. Okay, so I think with this knowledge, you can now set up your space and even schedule it, let people know in advance so that you can have as many people joining in. Thank you.